Trying to hide back there. Coming home with your pockets full of sand. I know it's no vacation. Now you're plowing your tiny patch of land. In the nation of the old man, did you give it away? Yes, I did. Did you give it away for free? What would you have us pay? I didn't know that your love was a commodity. What about appreciation, for instance? What about inflation? Hey, chunks of grass, they don't mean a thing to me, alright? Just indignation with this worthless currency. In the hay, hide in the hay with me. Would you hide in the hay? Where it's dark and we can scarcely breathe or see. Should asphyxiation, where the foxes in the field might make their death. Death by association. I swore I'd never take